Hey guys, as I told you in my previous video, Samsung Colombia briefly put up an announcement about the Galaxy S23 launch date, confirming that the next Unpacked event will be held on February 1, but the page was quickly pulled back, probably because it was posted prematurely. But it looks like Samsung Estonia also revealed quite a bit about the Galaxy S23 launch. According to a screenshot posted by leaker Snoopy Tech, Samsung's Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, which cost $229.99, will be given away as a pre-order bonus with the Galaxy S23. Pre-orders will start on February 2 and run through February 8, which implies that the phones will be released on February 9. Regardless, it's pretty much confirmed now that the Galaxy S23 range will be unveiled on the first day of next month, and this doesn't come as much of a surprise, as a good many rumors had indicated that Samsung would present its next S-series line earlier than last year. Recent tweet by reliable insider Ross Young: grey, light blue, light green, and red Galaxy S23 Ultra variants will also be available in limited volume. The Galaxy S23 Ultra is highly likely to feature a 200-megapixel camera, a less curved display than the current model for ease of use, and more base RAM. The entire lineup could boast a new front camera, a higher starting storage option, and the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. A couple of rumors had previously suggested that indecisiveness on pricing would lead to a delay. Reports had said that rising components costs warranted a price increase, but Samsung didn't want to divert demand to the iPhone 14 Pro. The company has now allegedly decided to hike prices, and whether this will affect the phone's chances of becoming the best handsets of 2023. Let's see what's happened in the future. What's your thoughts on this? Comment down below. See you tomorrow. Peace out.